the other thing that's noticeable for me on this annex, Alex, is that every available wall has a double socket.
Yeah, because it's easy. So it's silly not to put in as many double sockets as you can. You know, if there's a wall, you can have them on these walls because this wall is wide enough.
Oh, okay,
So
right.
the cable is in the middle of that wall, and it's 110 mil and beyond a drill piece.
Ah, right.
This wall, however, because we don't want to lose space, that wall is a major part of the structure, so it's strong.
Right.
This wall is just a dividing wall. It's doing nothing structurally. It's just dividing this room from that. So this wall is only 56 mil. So
Right.
we can't put cables inside that wall
I see.
unless we have a method of protecting it from anything, a drill piece going in there. So if we were to put a socket on an internal wall, it's an internal wall, that's a structural wall, we would have to use a conduit. So
Okay.
if you wanted an electric socket on this wall for whatever reason, it's not saying it's not doable, but
Yeah, but it's not
gonna
going to
be-
look great.
it's going to be surface mounted.
But as you pointed out, there's a double socket on every 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 double sockets around the room.
Yeah, 10, 11.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't think I've got any rooms in my house
No,
with
that
14
many.
double sockets.
Yeah, you only usually have about 4, don't you? But there is convenience for when you put in the bed there and all sorts.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it does
So
work.
it's well over-specced, if
Yeah.
anything.
And that's a better thing, isn't it? Rather than trailing 4-way
Yeah.
extension leads.
Okay, that's great. Thank you.